Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating your Apple ID and any recovery email. Open Appleid. Apple, com on a trusted device. Once done, choose Forgot Apple ID or password and enter the email. You will be prompted for verification methods. Select I don't have access to this phone number if shown. Make sure you can receive email or use a trusted device. This lets Apple send verification or start account recovery. Now proceed to the verification options presented on screen. Next, you'll be guided through identity verification. If you have a trusted device, approve the sign and notification. This is the fastest path because Apple verifies device possession. If not, choose recovery via your rescue email or answer security questions. These confirm ownership. If those fail, initiate account recovery. It creates a time-delayed path where Apple verifies you by other means. During this period, keep checking the recovery status email. You may need to provide additional info or confirm identity again. Finally, follow the steps Apple sends to your rescue email and watch the recovery timeline. Once Apple approves, reset your password and sign in. Make sure to add a valid phone number and enable two-factor authentication to prevent repeats. If recovery stalls, contact Apple support with the case ID you received and be ready to show ID proof. This speeds manual review. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear browser cache or try a different trusted device if the verification prompt fails to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.